In today's data-driven world, data is not just information, it is a company's most valuable asset. As a professional freelance data analyst, my first responsibility is data security and client trust. In this video, I explain how I securely analyze company's project, the security protocol I follow, and why NDA and data protection are my first priority before touching any client data. Unlike in-house employees, freelance work remotely. This increases the responsibility to follow enterprise-grade security standards. One data leak can destroy a company's reputation and a freelancer career. That is why I follow industry standard security protocol, the same ones used by large enterprises. Before starting any project, I ensure a non-disclosure agreement (NDA) is signed. The NDA clearly defines data ownership, confidentiality rule, usage limitations, data retention policy. This protects both the client and myself legally and professionally. I never request full system access unless absolutely necessary. I follow the principle of least privilege. I only access the data required for the specific task. No unnecessary permission, no shared credentials. All data transfers are done using secure method, encrypted cloud storage, secure FTP, SFTP, client approved platform only. I never accept data through unsecured emails or public links. Client data is always protected using encryption, data at rest encryption, data in transit encryption. Even if data is encrypted, it remains unreadable and protected. I work in a controlled environment, password protected systems, updated operating systems, licensed software only, no public Wi-Fi usage. Client data is never stored on shared or public devices. I use strong passwords, two-factor authentication, role-based access control. This ensures only authorized access to client data and systems. I do not create unnecessary copies of client data. Temporary files are deleted after use. No screenshot, no export, no offline storage without approval. I align my work with globally accepted security standards, ISO 27001 principles, GDPR data protection guidelines, and SOC 2 security practice. These are the same standard followed by professional enterprises. All analysis is performed inside client-approved tools, using secure BI platform without exposing raw sensitive data. Only required insights are shared, not raw confidential data sets. Once the project is completed, all client data is securely deleted. Access permission are revoked, written confirmation can be provided. No client data is retained beyond the project timeline. Clients don't just hire skills, they hire responsibility, ethics, and reliability. By following strict security protocol, I ensure zero data leakage, full confidentiality, long-term professional trust. For me, data security is not optional, it is my first priority. Before analysis, before dashboards, before insights, client data protection always comes first. If you are a company looking for a freelance data analyst who values security, NDA and trust, this is exactly how I work.